This is a quick video explaining the operation of my emergency stop system on my CNC controller. I implemented a PILS E.Stop relay and a main contactor. I wasn't really happy with just using the emergency stop on the spindle, which is basically just a software E.Stop, which would stop the program. So this is what I did. When you first turn on the CNC, these motor controllers are all powered down, and as you can see here, I can move the spindle by hand without any problems. They're all fine. On my controller here, you see there's a red reset light, which is controlled by the PILS relay, and the controller itself is saying reset. As soon as I hit the reset button, you see that the controller is now changed to ready. And if you have a look on the motor drivers, they've all become engaged. So also that then lights up the start and pause lights. So I've got an easy way to control the program as I'm going. So if I hit an E-stop, I mounted an extra E-stop onto the gantry itself. It was just easy and handy for me. So if I hit this E-stop, as soon as I do that, the clunk you heard was all the motors powering down, which makes all that lot safe. And say the reset lights come back on. If I release the E-stop, again, nothing happens. It doesn't automatically rearm. It's still here waiting for me to hit the reset button to go again. It's actually really quite straightforward to implement.